10 Best Healthy Foods for Women to Maintain BMI. Maintaining a healthy body mass index, BMI, is essential for overall health and well-being. For women, a balanced diet filled with nutrient-rich foods can help regulate weight, boost energy, and support long-term health. Here are 10 foods that can help maintain a healthy BMI. 1. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are low in calories but high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They aid digestion and promote fullness, helping to prevent overeating. 2. Avocados. Rich in healthy fats and fiber, avocados help stabilize blood sugar and curb hunger, making them a great addition to any meal. 3. Greek yogurt. High in protein and probiotics, Greek yogurt supports muscle building and gut health, which are important for managing weight. 4. Quinoa. This whole grain is a complete protein, helping to keep you full longer while providing essential nutrients and fiber. 5. Berries. Low in calories and high in antioxidants, berries help control appetite and support metabolic health. 6. Salmon. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, salmon promotes fat burning, reduces inflammation, and supports a healthy metabolism. 7. Nuts and seeds. Nutrient-dense and high in fiber, nuts and seeds help control hunger and provide sustained energy. 8. Sweet potatoes. A fiber-rich carb, sweet potatoes help regulate blood sugar and keep you full longer. 9. Chickpeas. Full of protein and fiber, chickpeas keep you satisfied and promote muscle maintenance. 10. Green tea. Green tea boosts metabolism and fat burning, helping with weight management. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help you maintain a healthy BMI and improve your overall health. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.